reselling products on WhatsApp or Instagram, how to start the business step by step. Want to earn money from home without making or manufacturing anything? Let me show you how to start a reselling business using just your phone, WhatsApp, and Instagram with almost zero investment. This is perfect for students, homemakers, or anyone who wants a side income without risk. So let's dive into it. Part 1. What is reselling? Reselling means buying products at a wholesale price and selling them at a retail price. You don't need to create the products. You just become a middle person between the seller and the buyer and keep the profit in between. The best platforms to start with? WhatsApp and Instagram, because you already use them daily. Part 2. What products to sell? Choose products that are always in demand. Some of the best categories include women's clothing, imitation jewelry, cosmetics, baby products, home decor, mobile accessories. Tip: start small. Pick 1 or 2 product types that you personally like or know about. Part 3. Where to find suppliers. Now the question is, where do you get these products? Here are the best places to find suppliers. Online platforms: Meesho, Glowroad, Shop 101, IndiaMart, Flipkart Wholesale. Offline markets: visit local wholesale markets in your city, like Sarojini in Delhi, Charminar in Hyderabad, or Fashion Street in Mumbai. Once you find a supplier, ask for product photos, prices, and delivery terms. Part 4. How to sell on WhatsApp and Instagram. WhatsApp selling. 1. Create a WhatsApp business account. 2. Make product catalogs with images and prices. 3. Share them in your WhatsApp status and broadcast lists. 4. Offer COD, cash on delivery, or UPI payments. Instagram selling. 1. Create a business page with a niche name like Trendy Looks or Style Buzz Deals. 2. Post 1 to 2 product images daily with clear pricing. 3. Use popular hashtags, e.g. hashtag affordable fashion, hashtag reseller India. 4. Engage with people via comments, DMs, and story polls. 5. Offer giveaways to attract early followers. Once someone places an order, you place it with your supplier, get it shipped to the customer, and keep your margin. Part 5. How much can you earn? Let's say you buy a top for 200 Indian rupees and sell it for 350 Indian rupees. You make 150 Indian rupees profit per piece. If you sell just 20 items a week, that's 3,000 Indian rupees a week or 12,000 Indian rupees a month, with zero inventory and low risk. Part 6. Tips for success. Be honest about delivery time and product quality. Stay active on WhatsApp status and Instagram stories. Run offers like buy 2 get 1 free or festival deals. Choose suppliers who provide fast shipping and good packaging. Ask customers for feedback and testimonials. So that's how you can start a profitable reselling business with just your phone. No office, no stock, no tension. Tell me in the comments, which product would you love to start reselling? I'll help you find suppliers too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more smart business ideas.